Aloha guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's Sunday morning now. It's been a massive weekend, man. Massive weekend of action-packed things going on TV. Just yesterday I was watching the All Blacks the All Blacks versus France game. Boy, that was really unexpected. Last night, Moana, she actually won the Miss Samoa. Congratulations to her. And then I was watching the Australia versus Georgia game this morning. I wanted to stay and watch more, but I had to come start cooking, so just another day. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you do enjoy our videos, and hopefully we've got a good menu set up for you today. See you soon. Taking a quick these chickens, man. Anyway, I just want to say a quick thank you to our super chats and donation to the channel. Big shout out to Jonah Kraus and Israeli George Close. Thank you guys for the donation for the channel. I really appreciate it, and it's your donations they really make me humble, so I really thank you guys for the donations and you guys, and you know what you guys give for the channel. So remember that the growth of the channel is all because of everyone that have liked, comment, subscribed, and donated for the channel. So really appreciate it, guys, and let's keep up the growth of the channel. So I've got uncle there working on the taro. Just realized there were no coconuts at the back of the umkuka, so just coming to the coconuts for the house. See if we can get some coconuts for the oka. So we've got some taro harvesting here. It was actually Uncle and Lou getting some taro for our yesterday. So that's why we didn't harvest some taro from the plantation yesterday. It was because we had the taro here at the back of the house. It was actually ready for harvest. Really? So Uncle Lele just gonna quickly scrape the coconuts while I try to get the cooking on the way. Whew. Chopping up the larger taros and the ulu there. So I do remember someone saying in the comments to try have a go at foiling, using the foil some of your taro when you're baking it. So I'm gonna give that a go and try and see the result. It's quite interesting. Unfortunately, I don't have enough foil because I am planning to use the foil for other stuff. So probably do a few, but the rest will just bake as usual. I did notice was when I use the oven, if I don't preheat the oven, when the taro comes out, it's sort of the skin actually just, it sort of peels away from the taro, you know, as if so there's like a gap between the skin and the taro, and it feels sort of what's the word, sort of loose, like it doesn't stick on the flesh, on the flesh of the taro. So that's if I don't preheat the oven. So I've actually started something new where you guys can see I'm actually preheating the oven now, so that it's sort of I think of what I'm trying to do is mimicking the umu, in which we don't throw the taro on the umu cold. As you know, that the rocks are super hot at that time, so I'm trying to mimic that when we do throw in the taro into the oven, it's actually super hot at that time. So I think that sort of probably like roasts the skin quickly, and it doesn't cook it in that, because if you throw it in cold, it sort of it doesn't get that quick roast, the quick sear on the outside, if so to speak. So I'm gonna do that first now, preheating the oven, maybe for about 10-20 minutes until it's set. Sorry, that was a really long rant trying to explain something really simple. You guys can see we've got that oven hay coming through. Yeah, gives it that extra smoky flavor. Look at that. Yep. So I'm gonna try and foil some taro now and see how we go. Hopefully, if this comes out better, I mean that's the reason why I don't use foil, is because it's quite expensive. If you're trying to do omu luau and taro, you're gonna have to foil the taro and the luau, and this roll's about $7, $8 at the shop. So if I'm doing quite a large umu, taro and luau, I'll probably need like 3 or 4, and that's, you know, just an added expense. But I'll try it out, and if I do like it, never know, might change it up a bit from then on. So I've got our menu set up, you guys can see. Little complicated, but not impossible. So we've got a wamamwe, which I will use for the soup. We've got i'a for the oka, which is a fish fillet. We've just got a single lamb flap here, so I'm trying to think of ideas to do that. Got our usual veggies, getting the umu done, umu prepped, and then we've got a eel. So I'm thinking, so we've got the soup, the wamamoi soup, we've got the oka, that one lamb flap. I'll probably do a stir fry with that. I mean, it's small, but you know, we can get away with if we load it with veggies. And then we've got the fai pussy. So I'm gonna make fai pussy. So put on your seatbelt, guys. This is gonna be a real crunch. No. So we're gonna get to it now. One thing I do remember seeing in the comments was that someone said it's so relaxing watching the videos, and I enjoy the fact that you guys, the video comes off as relaxing when you guys watch it, because honestly there's no relax going on in the kitchen.
Oh, I could cry. I could just cry.
My mind's like 1,000 different things going on at the same time. So but I love the fact that you guys, it's coming off as relaxing, because you know, in a way I do like to think that my videos can be a bit therapeutic at times, and yeah, I'm happy that it does come off that way. But too much soaking now, we've got to get to work. All right, just loaded in the umu. Now I'm gonna get the second. So I've set these separately aside because I want to have a look at them and how they perform in a pan, but also in foil. We've got some science experiments going on, guys. This is
Okay, let's run.
This is about 30 minutes off schedule, but I need to get started on the soup now, so it has time to render, if that's the word. So these are the lamb necks I told you about, which we will be using for the soup today. All right. It's gonna go straight into the pot. Some more on there. Got the eel in there. So we've got the lamb neck soup going on now. So we're gonna get started on the lamb because that needs to go too into the pot. It has time to tenderize, so we're gonna get to that now. Alright, so we've got the lamb already done now, so to throw that in some and then just let it render down over time while we prepare the other stuff. Alright, so we're just gonna get started on the oka now. I need to chop off the fish, and the reason why I want to start on this early as well is I want to let it marinate in the lemon juice for a while so that it soaks into the flavor. the flavor soaks into the fillet. It's looking good. All right, work on that done. Finished chopping up the fish. Just gonna give it a bit of wash. Then we'll soak it in lemon juice and marinate it in the fridge. Always remember to have clean hands when doing this because there's no heat involved, so any residual germs on your fingernails or on your hands will be directly eaten by whoever's eating doka. So always important to have clean hands when doing this. So lemon juice is now inside. Just give that a mix around so that it penetrates through the different fish. I'm going to get started on the veggies for the oka. Alright, so just took out the omu, ready and done. I've separated the taro that was in the foil on this side. Just have a look. I do see some coconut, but it's not to the, maybe it hasn't had enough time, so I'll throw it back in the oven. It looks sort of like a sucker, so I'll throw that back into the oven. The new roka, but this will be set. Also need to get ready a pushi, and we're gonna do the in there. So get started on the eating. Gonna throw in the thing in there. I'm not a big fan of the big bones here, so I'm just gonna take it out. It does, it doesn't help with the texture, that smooth texture we want with the eating. But it's all up to you guys. Your personal preference. It's not up to me. Started on the veggies now, so I actually did that usual thing we did with the cucumber. We rubbed the top here and then scored the sides with a fork. So that will get to the tomatoes, and I think we should be good. So we finished getting the tomato and the cucumbers for the okra ready. I think the okra is marinated enough now, so we're just gonna give it a bit of a stir, and then we're gonna rinse it with water. We can wash it all off, and then we'll add some new lemons to it when we're done. salt into the coconut cream. Just a little bit, not too much. And we'll get that into the oka. Just finished chopping out the potatoes and the carrots for the soup. This one's almost done. Turn off the lamb for now until we come back, but we need to get the soup finished soon. Alright, so we've got our bushi there. Looks good, man. Back's killing me. So we're just gonna drain a little bit of the oil out because it's already quite too fatty. Good enough. Pop that onto the heat, and then I'm gonna begin our stir fry. So first things first, just a little bit more onion. Throw some carrots in there. Stir fry looking good. Soup is on its way. We've got the taro. So we had leftover taro in the fridge. That's this one. This is the one that was foiled. Took it off and then threw it into for another broiling session. Alright guys, so if you've made it this far in the video, just want to say thank you for tuning in and staying so far in. We've just finished now with cooking and about to have tonai, so the final reveal as usual with our bam. So we'll start off on this side. We've got the stir fry mamui with carrots, cucumber and pak choi. We've got the supo mamui, no juice, no supo there, but just the mamui. We've got our taro, we've got our oka, and the lemon for the oka. We don't have the whaiai eling and the whaiai pusi because that's already on the table, but you guys saw the result there when we did make it. So yeah. Things looking pretty good there. We hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next cooking episode. Have a blessed Sunday. Stay safe. God bless. Take care. See you then.